Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with RK. The recent outbreak of the pandemic novel coronavirus has possibly made us realize yet again how important basic science is. It is particularly true when it comes to the fundamental study and understanding of life that cannot be seen with the naked eye. This is where microbiology comes to the picture. If you are still bothered by the redundant question, what is the career scope of microbiology in India or abroad? So let's put an end to the discussion for all. What exactly is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of minute single cell organisms, most of which are unfortunately dangerous and capable of causing communicable disease. This branch of science deals with the fundamental understanding of how a single cell works, definitely detailing the function and structure of every single subcellular components. It is to be noted that not all microorganisms are harmful. Some are useful, and in fact, there are some who are absolutely necessary for sustaining life on Earth. While a majority of microbes cause disease in humans, plants, and animals, a wide range of microorganisms are also used in several sectors for their beneficial properties. For example, they are used in the preparation of food products, beverages, and antibiotics. Different categories of microbes have been used for preparation of bread and alcohol for several centuries now. And the biggest application of microbes is, however, in the health and medical sector. Then, who is microbiologist? A person who specializes in this field is called microbiologist. Microbiologists are scientists who study organisms and infectious agents which cannot be seen with the unprotected eye. They study the interaction of microorganisms with other organisms and humans which exist and affect our lives. The role of microbiologist is to ensure our food is safe or not, developing green technologies, treating and preventing disease, or tracking the role of microbes in the climate change. Microbiologists work in many different job areas in a variety of different job roles. Microbiologists can make careers in research and non-research fields both. Microbiologists are categorized into the following types. Bacteriologists, they study the pattern of growth, development, and other characteristics of bacteria, including the positive and negative effects that can be brought about to bacteria on plants, animals, and humans. Clinical microbiologists, they execute a vast range of medical laboratory tests on collected specimens from plants, animals, and humans to aid in the detection of disease. Those microbiologists whose work taken researching human health directly may be categorized as a medical scientist. Environmental microbiologists, they make a study of how the interaction of microorganisms with the environment and with each other. They also study the use of microbes to clean up sites contaminated by heavy metals and further investigate increasing crop growth with the aid of microbes. Then industrial microbiologists, industrial production process are studied by them, and also problems related to this process are being solved, and also examination of microbial growth in the pipes of a chemical factories may be done. Further, they can also keep an eye on the impact of the industrial waste on the local ecosystem, and even supervise the microbial activities involved in the cheese production to guarantee the quality. Then, mycologist, they study the characteristics of fungi such as mold and yeast. The study is made to find out ways of how fungi can be beneficial to the society and also the risk that may be posed by fungi. Then parasitologist, life cycle of parasites is studies, and further the host parasite relationship and the adaptation of parasites to different environments is studied. The outburst and further control of parasite disease such as malaria may also be investigated. Then virologist, structure, development, and further properties of virus are studied, and further any effect that viruses have on infected organisms is also being researched, and overall aim to prevent, diagnose, and treat infectious disease like recent pandemic COVID-19. Eligibility to become microbiologist. In order to start a career in microbiology, students must choose PCB, Physics, Chemistry and Biology stream in class 12th. The student must score at least 50% marks in class 12th to take up higher level education in the field of microbiology, and usually there will be no entrance test for UG level courses in microbiology or biology. Subject combination: science stream with biology as the major subject in class 12th is mandatory to take up microbiology course. Then eligibility for taking up UG level courses, that is BSc in microbiology, students need to pass class 12th with minimum 50% marks. For taking up MSc in microbiology, BSc degree in microbiology or biology or zoology or botany is mandatory. Then for taking up PhD or MPhil course in the field of microbiology and associated areas, master course is mandatory in the relevant field, and most universities conduct entrance test for masters, MPhil and PhD courses. This is the list of courses that can pursue in the field of microbiology. Bachelor courses. The duration of these courses is 3 years. Bachelor of Science in Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Applied Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Microbiology, Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, Bachelor of Science in Clinical Microbiology. Then master courses. The master courses in this field are of 2 years. Master of Science in Microbiology, Master of Science in Applied Microbiology, Master of Science in Medical Microbiology, Master of Science in Microbial Genetics and Bioinformatics. If you are a graduate or a postgraduate who is willing to start his or her career, I advise to take specialized training in any of this, like agriculture microbiology, industrial microbiology, evolutionary microbiology, nano microbiology, cellular microbiology, soil microbiology, veterinary microbiology, generation microbiology, virology, water microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, microbial genetics, environmental microbiology. Then list of top companies that frequently hire microbiologists: Novozymes, Britannia, Bisleri, GSK, GlaxoSmithKline, Johnson & Johnson, Dr. Reddy's, Fusaid, Jubilant, Sanofi, Sun Pharma, then Lupin, Apollo, Emcure Pharmaceuticals, Cipla, Semilabs, Cafe Coffee Day, IFF, International Flavors and Fragrances, Saguna Foods, Apotex and Mondelez. List of top government institutes or organizations and industries that hire microbiologists are: FSSI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India; National Health Mission; DRDO, Defense R&D Organization; NCDC, Nigeria Center for Disease Control; IRCTC, Indian Railways; HPCL Biofuels, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited Biofuels; T-Board, National Tuberculosis Institute (NTI), KIIDC, Kerala Irrigation Infrastructure Development Corporation; CSIR, CSMCRI, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research; and Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute; IPFT, Institute of Pesticides Formulation Technology; ICMR, RMRC, Indian Council of Medical Research and Regional Medical Research Center; PAU, Punjab Agricultural University; and JALMA. How much a microbiology degree holder earns? In India, the average salary of microbiologist is between 2 to 3 lakhs per year. If you are working with the government or private organization, you will get handsome salary along with the perks and other benefits. And experienced microbiologist with master's or PhD degree can get a very good salary package in both sector. And salary will also depend on several factors like organization, sector, job profile, location, etc. Experience matters a lot in this field. Work experience help you to give an opportunity to find out a particular job which suited to you. In this field, higher salary package offered to experienced microbiologist. Important qualities for microbiologist: communication skills, detail oriented. Microbiologist must be able to conduct scientific experiment and analysis with accuracy and precision. Then interpersonal skills, logical thinking skill, math skills, observation skills. Then perseverance. Microbiological research involves substantial trial and error, and microbiologists must not become discouraged in their work. Problem solving skill and time management skill. So friend, this was some information related to microbiology. If you still have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comment box. And to get this type of useful information, subscribe Study with Hum.